Hi, Yellow Group. This is Yellow Sort 18. I know you don't have words up top that show your pattern, but you have 5 different patterns, so you'll need 5 different colors. You do have one word that actually fits into 2 different patterns. So go ahead and grab 5 different colors. I am going to start with the pattern of AI. So each one of your words has 2 vowels that are right next to each other. So this one has the AI right next to each other, and it makes the A sound. Wait. We had to wait in line. So I need the AI. Here's another one, rail, like a railroad car. AI, rail. Here's another one, trail, trail. We had to hike on the trail. And the last AI word that you have is sail. Let's go sail out on the water, or I saw the paper sail through the air. That's your AI. All right, go ahead and switch colors. I'm going to go over here to this word. This is one of our oddballs that fits 2 different patterns. So the first way we can say this word is read. I'd like to read my book. So I have the EA that makes the E sound. So let's go ahead. We have beast makes the E sound. Read, beast, leak. Our roof has a leak in it. Oh, neat. Please be neat and tidy. Pea. I would like it to eat a green pea. Cream. I hear the E sound. Cream. I hear the E. Okay, I think those are our EA words that make the E sound. Let's go ahead and flip colors, and we're going to actually do the EA, this word again. But now, instead of reading it read, we're going to read it read. Like I already read that book. Still EA, but now we say it eh. So we have read. What about def? Means you can't hear. I hear the eh sound. Ment. Eh. I meant to do that yesterday. Dread. I hear the eh. Do you hear the difference? And the last one is thread. I need a needle and thread. Okay, so read or read. Interesting. Go ahead and flip colors. Now our next pattern is EE, need. I need to take a walk. Need. Here's another EE, wheel. My car has a wheel on it. Sheep, EE. It makes the E sound. 3, E. Sheets. How many sheets of paper? E. And cheek. EE. So we have several EE words. And our last pattern, let's see, is going to be OA. Remember, you have 2 vowels next to each other. OA makes the O sound, to oast, or coast. Coast is land near the water. Moan. Did you hear my stomach moan and groan? And throat makes the OA. You have several words like 3 and thread and throat that all have the THR in there as well. So that's kind of an interesting pattern. Make sure that you take a picture and then make sure you put this paper in a safe spot so you can study. All right, Yellow Group, good luck.